curfew.
And I'm sure a lot of people are saying thank you for the music. And for some news this week, let's take a look at MessageBoard. Nokia launched its new range of smartphones, its first product lineup in partnership with Microsoft. The Lumia phones will compete at the premium end of the segment that's dominated by BlackBerry and the iPhone.
It has been the most disruptive move in the telecom sector. It's made every single player in telecom reevaluate his options in terms of his strategy as well as his stance on the operating system.
The Advertising Standards Council of India is stepping up its efforts to ensure that the government and consumer bodies are satisfied with its attempts at self-regulation. On Wednesday, at a seminar in the capital, the ASCI said that in order to speed up the action on truant advertising, the Consumer Complaints Council will now meet once in 15 days instead of once a month. The ASCI is also working with the INB, Health and Consumer Affairs Ministries to get the Food and Safety Standards Authority of India's guidelines for the processed foods industry in line with the ASCI code.
Food Safety Standards Authority of India is coming up with their own guidelines. ASCI's desire is to work with them and have some self-regulation rather than impose certain rules by the government. Government itself has been, particularly the INB ministry, has accepted the guidelines, self-regulation guidelines in the Cable and Television Act. Similarly, we would also like to work with Food Standards Authority of India and also Consumer Affairs Ministry.